Welcome to my channel. Today, you're not going to believe what Cadillac just did. This isn't a concept car. It's not a luxury SUV. It's something no one expected. A full-blown motorhome. Yep, Cadillac, the same brand known for presidential limousines and high-end luxury sedans, just dropped one of the most outrageous, mind-blowing motorhomes the world has ever seen. And trust me, this thing is next level. From the outside, it already looks different. Sleek lines, a low-slung futuristic front, massive blacked-out windows, and a road presence that makes everything else look like a toy. It's not trying to be an RV. It's trying to replace your house. But step inside, and that's when your jaw hits the floor. The interior is dripping with luxury. We're talking custom-stitched leather everywhere, walls, ceilings, seats. Crystal glass lighting that changes color with your mood. A living room with wraparound couches. A 75-inch retractable OLED display. Even the flooring. Heated bamboo. You've got a full chef-grade kitchen with smart appliances, a hidden espresso bar, and a built-in wine fridge that auto-adjusts to what you're drinking. The bedroom? It feels like a 5-star suite, with a California king bed, memory foam mattress, ambient ceiling stars, and blackout electrochromic glass. And then there's the bathroom. You get a full standing Rainfall shower with mood lighting, voice-activated temperature control, and a smart mirror that gives you weather, news, and skin analysis. Yes, skin analysis. In a motorhome, this is Cadillac going completely off the rails in the best possible way. But wait, this thing isn't running on diesel or gas. Nope, it's fully electric. Powered by GM's Ultium platform, the same system used in their electric trucks and Hummer EV. It boasts an estimated 340-mile range on a full charge. And it's not just plug-in ready. There are solar panels on the roof, regenerative braking, smart grid capabilities. Cadillac designed it to be off-grid for up to 5 days, with climate control, water recycling, and even satellite internet on board. All of it is controlled by a custom-built central AI system. Think of it like having a personal butler and travel planner. You talk, it handles the rest. Temperature, lights, music, route planning, charging stations, even predicting the best places to park based on scenery and sunlight, all done automatically. The entire vehicle adjusts itself to you. That's the future Cadillac is selling here, and honestly, it's a compelling one. Now here comes the pain point, the price. Cadillac hasn't dropped the exact numbers yet, but insiders say it'll start at around $500,000 and can go up from there depending on customizations. It's not for everyone. But let's be real, this isn't about practicality. This is about status. This is about having a moving penthouse suite that makes Range Rovers look basic. And here's the kicker, Cadillac has hinted this isn't a one-off prototype. If interest stays high, this luxury RV could enter full production in late 2026. That would flip the entire RV industry on its head. Because once people experience this level of design, space, and technology, how do you ever go back to a regular camper van? So what do you think? Is this the future of travel? Or just Cadillac flexing its luxury muscle? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you love insane vehicles, futuristic tech, and luxury on wheels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.